Hyderabad IPL 2025 playoff hopes hung by the thread ahead of their penultimate home game. They put up the spirited bowling performance, but passage of rain thereafter ended all the chances of a top 4 finish. The Delhi Capital meanwhile earned a crucial point, and there were still in more for the decent chance. Also, the result have also put on the LSG in a must-win territory. With the 3 games to go, for 14 points won't be enough for the qualification now, as it was the case last year. Also, the remaining fixtures, that is the PBKS, that is versus the GT versus the MI, assuming there are no further washouts, the Delhi Capital can now finish on the 13, 15, 17 or 19 points. 13 points, i.e. 3 defeats will knock them out, whereas a win in each of their remaining games will help them enter the playoff. The games will also be remaining against the MI, the GT and the PBKS, and therefore it might also finish on 19. They will stand a great chance on the top 2 finish. In this case, they will certainly stay ahead of the MI and could be tied with the PBKS. Also, that too wouldn't matter for a top 2 finish if the RCB drop 2 of the remaining 3 games and the GT drop 1. In case the DC finish with the 15 points, they would need to the loser of the match of the 56 to stay at the 14 for the starters and hope to the winner games and the runs that goes award and towards the top. The simplifying of the 3 cases, that is the DC that would ideally want the MI to beat the GT and the PBKS, who are their next opponents, as well as to curb the competition and hope for the KKR and the LSG to drop at least 1 game each. If they win 2 more, i.e. get to 17, there could be a 3-way tie between the KKR, PBKS and the Delhi Capital, should the at least be of the 2 RCB and the GT and the MI run towards the top with the 18 or more. Also, if the GT win each of their next 4 games, they'll be confirmed of a top 2 finish, as the only RCB can match them with 22 points in that case. If both finish on the 20th, i.e. the Mumbai Indian win on Tuesday and thereafter and the GT win their other 3, either of both can also still finish in the top 2 depending on the RCB